What's up guys, Rad here, and today I think my Lamborghini welcome kit just got here in the mail, so I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. Dealer didn't really tell me what's in it, they just said I'll be receiving it today, so I'm very excited to get it unboxed, opened, and see what's inside from Lamborghini. Hope you guys like this video. So let's see what's in here. I have no idea what's in here. I'm very excited. Lamborghini called me 2 weeks ago and told me they'll be sending the welcome kit. So thought I'd unbox it with you guys. Got my knife. Gotta have a knife. We have this. Gotta get this guy opened up too. We have this. Let's see what this is. Got the Lambo logo. You like it? Oh, it's exciting. Packaged really nice. Oh, and another package. Got this over another package and then another box. Got the nice white box. Oh, got the Urus right here. Let's see what's in here. This is exciting. Oh man, this is really nice packaging. Oh, okay. I guess we got an adapter. Oh, that's cool. USB adapter. I don't know why they didn't give me this when I bought the car. They got to send it a month after. Okay, cool. That's that. Got a, I think this is a cleaning kit. Let's see. Got the Lamborghini logo on the kit. Oh yeah, wow. Some towels. Another towel in here. Oh wow. Leather cleaner. Composite material cleaner. Another composite material cleaner. Upholstery cleaner, glass cleaner, car fragrance, and they're all really nice. Nicely got the Lambo logo embossed right there. That's very cool. And then this, got the Urus on here too. Very cool. That's very nice. And I think this is a towel. You don't really need to open it up. It's got the Lamborghini logo in there. I guess, here's explaining everything they give you. Oh, and we got some gloves, some Lamborghini gloves. Let's see. Oh, gotta put these on. I put these on to unbox this, the next box. Alright, alright. Gonna be all Lamborghini'd out. Alright, so that's the first kit. Got my Lamborghini gloves on. Don't want to mess this, whatever's inside this other box. This was really nicely packaged, very cool. Very cool. Look at this box. Nice white box. And let's put this guy here and let's unbox this one. I think this is probably a model car of my car. Good thing I got the gloves on so I don't scratch it. I got that opened. Oh man. I think, oh my god. Got a little card. Oh yeah, it is a model car. Hopefully it's the exact spec of my car. I think that's what it should be, but let's open her up and make sure. Really nice packaging again. Got the Lamborghini logo. Handmade. Very cool. So it's the 1/18 scale. Oh man, you ready? Oh wow. This is exactly my car. So the rims on mine are black, but this is the not all black because they came from the factory like this. So this is how the car came from the factory. And it says, please pay attention to the side mirrors when you remove the model from the box. So you gotta watch out for the side mirrors. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Open this. Good thing I got the Lamborghini gloves on. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is an exact replica of my car. Interior too. Interior, let's see if it opens. Oh, it doesn't. Doesn't open though. That's weird. Usually they're supposed to open. But get a good look. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing. I'm not gonna make a lot of unboxing videos, but this was interesting, so I wanted to unbox it and put it on this channel. I hope you guys liked the video, and this is, I guess, what you get when you buy a Lamborghini. This is their welcome kit. Very cool. I'm very impressed. It's probably the best welcome kit I've gotten from a manufacturer. And yes, make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.